August was yesterday.
It's fall!
Hello guys! It is officially fall season and therefore it's time for fall themed nails, chai lattes, and pumpkin spice everything. For today's nail art, I had splurged and got myself some new creme polishes from Holo Taco, as well as these two limited edition polishes. I do plan to do a video giving first impressions of all these polishes, as well as the new Dark Academia drop, so stay tuned for that. We will start with our base coat for longevity and to prevent staining. For this design, I wanted each nail to represent the colors of the changing leaves. So going from our pinky to our thumbnail, we will be applying 2 coats of Modest Moss on our pinky, then Not Pressed, Butterscotch Hop, Stay Grounded, and then Brick Wall on our thumb. I absolutely love the colors here. They really do remind me of the leaves on the trees changing from that green color to that dying dead red and brown color. Now that I think about it, that's kind of sad. The French tip design is going to be the same on every nail. We will take my favorite topper, Fallen Flake Taco, and apply it to only the top half of the nail. Then we're going to apply another coat to the top half of that, and another coat to the top half of that. This is how we're going to achieve that gradient look without it looking like it was sponged on. And if you're unhappy with the opacity at the nail tip, wrap your tip with a few extra coats of the topper. To seal it in, apply your glossy taco. You can stop here if you like, but true fall vibes are achieved with a matte taco, so we'll be adding that on top. And there you go! It's super easy, super cute, and super ready for fall. Get ready for more fall themed nail art by subscribing, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!